Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Nokia off, then eject SIM and remove the back cover. Do this gently to avoid clips. Next, you unscrew screws with the correct bits, keeping each screw labeled and separated so you know where they return. Once done, use a plastic spudger to detach the midframe and disconnect the battery connector. Make sure to lift connectors straight up to avoid tearing ribbon cables. This gets you to the charging port area without delay and prevents accidental damage. You now focus on the charging assembly. Carefully remove any brackets and unplug flex cables that secure the daughter board. Take photos so you remember routing. If the port is soldered, apply flux and desolder using a 350-380 degrees C iron or a controlled heat gun. Lift the port evenly to avoid tearing pads. Once removed, scrape away old solder, clean with 90% plus isopropyl, and inspect pads and vias. Make sure traces are intact, so your new port will have solid mechanical and electrical contact. You place the replacement port aligned to pads, tack solder one pad to secure it, then solder remaining pads with consistent wetting. Make sure there are no bridges. Once soldered, reconnect flexes and the battery, then power on for a preliminary charge test. Do not fully reassemble until charging is confirmed. If charging works, reassemble in reverse order, tightening screws to correct torque. If it fails, check solder joints with continuity meter, reseat battery connector, and inspect for lifted pads or torn traces as your primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.